Okay, we're looking at 2.2.12, and we're given this right here. And first thing you do is you factor out root 2I. Then you'll notice that you have to divide this by I in order to do that. Then I figured we should just take that into multiply the top and bottom by I to make that a negative. So we just end up with this, which ends up being a negative because I squared is negative. Then what we can do is turn this into a positive. So that's going to be a positive by putting an I squared there. And then we can see it is a square. Once it's a square, you can factor it. So we have this. So then the square root of that is going to be plus or minus. So that's where the plus or minus comes from. And then we were done with that part. The next part we need to do is just focus on this right here. So just do the standard method from page 20, proposition 2.7, theta, all the normal things. I do it my special way with the x value. After I find the theta value, find the magnitude, find the s value, keep going. What happens when k is 0, what happens when k is 1, and I find out I get 1 plus I, and then negative 1 minus I. And so I notice all the possibilities. So from here, it's the plus or minus ci plus d. Right here, plus or minus ci plus d. And then from the root 2I, we get positive and negative I plus 1. So this one. So what I do is I just break it apart into all the pieces. So let's do this right here. So notice I do the positive version here and the negative version here of these two values of the oh look, I messed up. Look, this is this should be positive, negative. Negative ci plus d. Yeah, okay. Anyway. So this is what we're dealing with here. So then the positive version of it. And then over here, we do the positives, the positive and the negative again, of the negative version of, wait a minute, am I making a mistake here? Hold on. Positive, negative, oh no, I did it right. Okay. So maybe I just need to group them in my head together a little bit differently. So I'm just going to do the positive version and the positive version. Yeah, this is right. And then, so I do the positive blue and then the positive and negative red. So what I just circled. And then here we do the negative version of the blue. And then we do the positive negative version of the ci plus d. Ci minus d. Anyway, I think it's right. I'm just rethinking. But anyway, yeah, we get all the permutations or combinations or whatever of these ones, and you'll notice that we get two duplicate answers. So we get these two are the same. These two are the same, and then also these two are the same. So we get two different answers. Let's go ahead and put them down. We get negative c minus d plus c minus di, and we get c plus d plus negative c plus di. Yeah, two solutions. All right.